Dear friends, welcome to PWP Professionals with Passion. Today we are going to discuss about robots at workplace, robotic process automation, a latest subject and it is in trend now. In near future, you are going to see robots at workplace. Many robots and very less human beings at workplace. It is going to happen. How robots will replace humans at workplace? Employees are already scaring about their job security. And what is the action course employees need to take? And organizations are getting benefited, but what is the approach to be followed either from management side and employee side? We will discuss in detail. Robots at workplace, is it possible? The answer is yes. Maximum organizations are already started exploring feasibilities to introduce robots at workplace. And what is the approach the organizations are following? It is not immediate, but it's a gradual approach. But we are going to see robots at workplace near future. Here I'm discussing the feasible scenarios where robots can introduce by organizations in various departments. I've selected few departments: finance, HR, retail, payroll, and customer support. I'm providing one example where RPA can be introduced. In finance department, invoice process automation. I will give one example about invoice process automation, how RPA will take care. For posting the invoices in the manual approach, so by looking at the hard copy, invoice copy, employees are posting the document by typing the system, by typing the invoice details into the system and posting the document. Whatever the ERP you are using, whether it is SAP, Oracle, or any other ERP, so employees are looking at the invoice and they are going to post the same into the system. For posting the invoice, there must be 100 to 200 employees are required. But if you are by introduction of RPA, the same work can be done at hours. Like the invoice document need to be scanned only for once, and based on that scanned copy, system automatically pick the relevant fields and automatically it will post the document. So manual work is being reduced. So RPA is faster than whatever the manual work performed by the employees. In this way, RPA is going to work. And the same way in HR case, hiring and onboarding, RPA is shortlisting the CVs for the relevant position, and retail case, inventory management, reorder level is being alerted by RPA. And in case of payroll, attendance is capturing by the robots, like example, a finger thumb impression or retina checks. In case of customer support, we are getting the calls, like whenever you are calling, always the call is being attended by telecallers. So we are getting the automatic reply. In this way, RPA scenarios are being introduced by the organization. We should be ready to upgrade ourselves to face RPA, because we need to face in near future the scenarios, and we should be ready to secure our jobs. That we will discuss in further slide. So what is the action course employees need to take care? For organizations, RPA is beneficial, but what about the employees? So employees must concentrate on these topics: artificial intelligence and machine learning. So these are the new topics which are supportive for RPA. Learn RPA so that every problem has its solution. So because whatever the process we are going to implement RPA, that is also taken care by human being. So whatever the in case of any errors happening at RPA level, that is being corrected by human beings. So we should upgrade ourselves for the new technologies so that we will be in the industry, and always there is a possibility for the skill set and intelligence. So all the best. Dear friends, thanks for supporting our channel for learning and development. Please like and subscribe.